everybody. This is Mike Lung over at Allendale. We're going to be talking about the corn market here today, specifically the December 20 corn contract. Right now, we've seen an impressive rally. Had a gap higher last week that was filled within the same week, and a gap higher this week on Monday night that is remained open. Could be looking like a breakaway gap at this point. So, next question is, where are we going from here? Well, we could be eyeballing a big resistance area, which is going to coincide with this 200-day moving average as well as horizontal resistance from our highs in early July, both of which come in at 363. So we'll be eyeballing that as a good place of resistance going forward, especially with that gap still remaining in place and stochastics making new highs with the move higher, which is showing a potential of good support behind this rally, not seeing any kind of divergence between those stochastics and the actual rally that's taking place, not seeing any kind of slowdown at this point, but could be something to monitor for a potential slowdown in the near future. Other thing we want to be watching is if we do break through this 363, what does that open the doors to? And besides the obvious dime thresholds that seem to cap us, you got the next area of resistance, larger term, which is about this 386 to 388. And that resistance zone is based on the old support zone from earlier on this year as well as last year. You see it's following support back here. We dipped below it, pulled back to it, and fell against it. So it's support that is now turned resistance. So be watching that as a potential area to be going up to if we do in fact break this 363 and able to hold above it without a false breakout. Something that could be helping us get there is this drop down in total open interest. We've been seeing this commitment to trades report come out on Friday that's showing that funds are short covering at this point, and seeing how we are acting this week and knowing that this number is from yesterday, could be looking at them continuing to short cover at this point. And the next question would be, if they are neutral, what's next? Are they going to build a long position from here? Are they going to do that before harvest? Or will they be looking for some kind of throwback in order to be adding risk on the long side of things? If they are, in fact, looking for risk ahead of this 2020 election. So a lot of questions to be answered here. What does yield look like? Are we going to make another run lower into harvest? Or have we found our low here at this 320 mark that we have seen at the bottom? So a lot of questions, but trade will figure it out. Watch those keys. If you guys have any questions for me directly, please give me a call, 815-578-6177. This is Mike Long over in Allendale. You guys have a great one out there.